Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a retail website on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the website section next to the prints button and scroll down and click to the retail website button. Here you have more change. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and videos videos and images to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers, charts and more. If you want to add text to your project, just click to the text button under the draw option, and here you can add text and search different type. If you want to draw on your project, just click to the draw button and just draw to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to change the picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select a picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write new. If you want to change the type of your text, just click to the arrow next to the Cormorant Gara text style name button, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. If you go to the animate section next to the effects button, you can animate your text, and in the effects section you can add the different effects to the text, for example shadows and different shapes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.